let's go through a meditation to create safety and calmness in your nervous system. If at any point during this meditation, the sensations inside get too intense, you can pause this practice and come back to it later. So to begin, you can close your eyes, lower your gaze, and at first just start to slow down your breathing, making your exhale long and drawn out. Just slowing everything down. And at first, just checking in on how your body feels right now. Noticing emotions, dysregulation, or pain, or physical symptoms. And throughout this practice, we're just working at creating safety within your nervous system. But allow yourself to show up to this practice exactly as you are. We don't need to force anything to change or happen. And now, we're just going to loosen up the body at first. Just allow yourself to shake out your hands and arms, breathing deep and slow. Allowing your body to move as it wants to move. Noticing what feels nice or pleasant about this movement. Just allowing yourself to let go of resisting or holding on to any dysregulation. And as we go throughout each of the safety signals in this practice, just noticing how it makes things feel different or if it changes anything inside. Now pausing the shaking. And we're going to do some resistance breathing. So with the resistance breath, as you inhale, you're going to inhale through your nose, filling your belly up. And as you exhale, you're going to purse your lips and blow out through your mouth, kind of like you're blowing out through a straw with a bit of resistance. Imagining each time you exhale, like you're just letting go of any of this unpleasant dysregulation. You're just breathing it out in front of you. Noticing what happens inside as you breathe in this way. Now let your breathing go back to normal. Just deep belly breathing. Give yourself a hug, wrapping your arms around yourself. And as you breathe deep and slow, just start to sway side to side. Just gently. Just using this swaying motion to soothe yourself. Noticing and attending to any sensations of ease, lightness, safety, even if it's just in a small area of your body. Really savor these sensations. Pause the swaying with your arms, make an X over your chest. And we're just going to do some tapping. So keep your breath slow and deep and start to alternate tapping your left and right hand. Just back and forth at a rhythm or rate that feels calming for you. Just using the tapping to connect to our body, connect to the sensations of tapping your shoulders, but also as a way to remind ourselves to just slow down. Noticing how this safety signal makes you feel inside. Being aware of any shifts that have taken place compared to the start of this practice. Bring this to a pause. Bring your arms down. And we're just going to use some safe self-talk at the end of this practice. So keep breathing deeply as we do this. May I love myself fully and completely. May I be free from fear. May I know I am worthy just as I am. May I know I am capable of amazing things. Just take one last breath, being in your body. And we'll bring this practice to a close. So I hope this safety meditation was supportive for you. If you need extra support on your healing journey, my digital course has hours of educational videos and over 60 somatic practices for pain, symptoms, emotions, and dysregulation. So I'll put the link for my digital course down below, and I'll talk to you all soon. Take care.